Yeah, we can discuss it, no problem.
Yes, क्योंकि I think this is very hot topic because I have no idea कि how they are going to measure the TRP. But when I was listening news, then I come to know yes, there is some people's meter something like that, and they have to stabilize some places, and by that they capture how many people are watching that channel, and then due to this they are going to generate TRP because it's totally not depend upon us. Yes, suppose I am watching a cricket, but here is no any people's meter, they are not going to measure what I am watching. Only due to I think there are only 50,000 that machine, and they have installed all over the India. According to that 50,000, they are going to give you TRP. Yes, this is, uh, and also as Commissioner of Police is claiming that the Republic Bharat will also give money to 5 to 6 people to run that channel, particular channel, so they can generate TRP. And that's why nowadays Republic Bharat is number one channel because they are buying some TRP.
Yeah.
Actually, what I have listened in this news also, that's why I mentioned. And also, in NDTV, there was a person, actually, I can't remember that name. He was telling about English news. Only 1% of people of India is watching English channel. So this is very easy to manipulate that, that person. Because suppose uh, they are 5%. Okay, we have to install that machine on that 5 places and just tell them please watch this channel. If they are watching 1 hour or 2 hour, due to that you can generate more TRP because there are very few people who are watching English channel. Average is only 6 to 7 minutes, only 6 to 7 minutes. And that person was just telling if anybody is going to watch 2 hour that channel, means that is going to impact because only few people are watching this channel. But when we are talking about Hindi channel, so this is not going to work if you are going to install that machine 5 to 6% or 10%. And also there is a claim as Hansa something like that because they are a previous employee of Hansa company, and they just give information to other company here we have installed this machine at this place, and they are just you can contact and you can pay the money. So this is something like that. Actually, what I have written on the news, that's I am telling you. So I think Devi Bhai, Amit Bhai, also you have listened. So what is your view? This is really work, or this is as like fake as like nowadays every news is just like fake. You can take example of Sushant Singh, Hathras. We have no idea what is going to happen. Also, you can say uh, in case of Ria, Ria Chakravarti. Now today, Bombay High Court has released the bail and mentioned that NCB is going to impose false case on Ria Chakravarti, and that is not good. That's why Bombay High Court released Ria Chakravarti. And also, if we, I think this is game of only TRP. Just give some masala news and you can generate TRP. As like Jamal, something like that. Okay, Devi bhai, Amit bhai.
So actually, what happened? So it is like just like I'm prepared for science subject, but you are given social for write a exam.
Okay.
It happened like this today. So no problem based on some news. Yeah, I also read that Parambir Singh, the commissioner of Mumbai police, is uh, he told that the Republic channel it is for false claim against the TRP for TRP, and against that even the Republic TV also put a defamation case against the commissioner. So it all started with the Sushant Singh Rajput case, because we have spoken many times regarding this case, and still it is continuing. It is continuation of that case itself. So the Republic TV so given more importance to that case, and it highlighted the many problems or many issues regarding the Mumbai police, especially when the BR police entered into the Mumbai police. They put an quarantine seal for them. So for when BR police started investigation, they put some restriction So from there it is started and it is continuing. It is just like it is a game between those big players, and he's put a case against Republic. It is just for political credibility, and with the help of political influence only he does that. Otherwise, why he will do individually? Definitely, it is harm for his career as well. If that is uh, came out, if it is not, that is not true. So, and even the channel also made some huge dent on Mumbai police. Otherwise the Mumbai police has huge respect when they were in public life. They made a good work, especially in Mumbai terror attack. Even though it is very brilliant, the movie during Mumbai terror attack, even many good police or officer are the martyred during those time. So that's why they had huge respect on the people mind. But when Sushant Singh Rajput case came, it's all destroyed within a second. They created uh, their uh, uh, their thing, means their the popularity many years, but it due to this one small instance, it destroyed. That's why they're putting case against public's Republic channel, and still Republic channel is continuing on this Sushant Singh Rajput case only. That is also not correct, because we have many things to discuss. And in this condition, even though, as you mentioned, the NDTV, New Delhi Television, is discussing about unemployment rate, they never discuss about Rajput case. Even they discuss about some other things. They're highlighting other things. And just like NDTV, there are many channels also, like CNN, CN18, or many Hindi channels that also doing that. And recently we saw Aaj Tak, they're also doing some manipulation against the Atras case, or they're doing some because of TRP. So I'm not aware about much thing. So it's definitely the news channel has to survive in this competitive world. There are many news channels in this era. And for the why it is TRP is important, because if there are more membership, more viewership, so that the advertisement, they will get more advertisement. And there is one separate unit, like the Broadcasting Television of India, maybe they will give the viewership or hit ratio. It's just like a YouTube. So how many viewership are there for this? So based on that, the Republic gained a more popularity. It had started around 2 years ago, but now it is claiming that they are the number one channel. And even I also saw that even India Today said that we are number one channel in metro cities. They will say that, especially metro cities. Republic channel will say that we are in number one channel in India. Again, it will segregate based on that. So the Rajip sir, they say, also say that my 1 hour show will run a TRP like the other channels. Same way that depend upon the time, and it depend upon the cities. And even though Aaj Tak will say that in villages we are the very popular channel. So it is just like a TRP, and we know that nowadays all new news channel is not giving the correct valid information. It is just misinterpreting that whichever they need to show, they will not show that, and they are to be showing something which gain the popularity, and which we people will be keep watching, that something will happen. Just like in Sushant Singh Rajput case, we are simply behind that case only, or we are also getting interested because of that case. Wow, it went many angles, drug angle, that those angles. And because that things and it doesn't matter for discussing this. Even police will take care, CBI will take care, but it went deep down. So all goes there, and it started from there, and it's
Okay,
going somewhere else.
Devi bhai, you take an example of Sushant Singh Rajput. I think Republic Bharat is covering from 100 days, but still we are not getting any output in that case. Then why they are investing so much time on that case? Because
No, you are
what
saying it
happened
is.
previous.
No, you are
Only,
saying it is.
yes,
Yeah, you are saying it is wasting, but so there are fan base, right? Sushant Singh Rajput, you see that Twitter
I
last 2 weeks,
game
two
of
three
TRP
two
because
million
you are posting
subscriber.
something like American.
Yeah, that's what.
He has done murder. Please impose 302 and something like that. But I think there is no output because CBI is also investing that case, and other NCB is also investing that case. Then why?
Yeah.
How you are saying that
So
yes, that
gaining
person is murder?
TRP.
Yes.
No,
Yeah.
that's what gaining TRP. At the end of the day, I want to say it is for
People
gaining
want to
TRP.
watch. People
Even
want to watch, and they already made their
Yeah.
statement
There is
every
no
single time when
news.
Riya
Even
Chakrabarti has gone anywhere.
yeah,
When every single time when Riya Chakrabarti has even gone for just for simple discussion or just for interrogation,
correct.
they have already made their own statement. Like she has did this, she has stolen a lot of money, maybe she has even murdered Sushant Singh Rajput, and they are running this kind of headline, specific headline. So I think
Can I ask a question?
just because at that time, yeah, bro, you can ask me a question.
No one can
Just
stop you.
please inform me the topic because the mentioned topic is the employment and employment something like that. But we are
Okay.
discussing SSR case,
Currently,
so I
I
just
think
want to know the topic.
currently currently on YouTube, we all can see there is one news TRP TRP TRP, or you can say, and it is totally against the Republic TV. If you have seen, even on Aaj Tak ABP News, and one thing is absolutely clear: no TV media, and we have already discussed just before 2.5, maybe 2.5 weeks ago, or maybe 23 weeks ago about the Indian media channel, news channel. More than 90% are at the same place. I mean, few channels are in a high, like they are using such kind of thing in a large way. Few are using in a little manner, but every single channel, most of the channel they are using, whether it's a ABPP or it's just Aaj Tak. And we have seen the example when they fired the news anchor in ABPP News. But now I think one single channel, I think they have got some information, and also this is not the actual thing that Mumbai police or maybe Mumbai leaders they want to show us. Just see Republic TV, how they are doing, how they are brainwashing, or how they are manipulating you. It is true with every single TV channel. But just because we know it's been going on more than 2 and 3 months, we know that there is no good relation between Republic TV and the political party which are in Mumbai. We know, and they have, I think, not I think, everyone knows that Arnab Goswami have also been interrogated for something. So it is a less thing. I mean, they are telling to us, but most thing it's a politics. What behind that they want to take revenge. The Mumbai leaders and also the police, just because definitely whoever in a party or a party in existence, they have so much control over the defense. So I think this is a kind of revenge, and that we have already seen in a uh, Kangana Ranawat. That time we have also seen. So I think these all things are uh, it has been happening behind the politics, and everyone is gaining TRP, and also they are becoming famous. Whether it's a political party of Mumbai, or it's a Stars, or it's a Arnab Goswami, whoever they are. But now I think they have to bear the consequences.
Dhruv bhai, I have a question.
Yeah,
Do you think TRP can be manipulated?
TRP can be
Do you
manipulated.
think
It's
yes? Because they are claiming the Republic Bharat is manipulating the TRP, wanting to show that they are number one channel.
Yeah, so if they are showing us such kind of fake news or that news which has no actual existence, if we will go on YouTube and we will see the actual statement of Arnab Goswami, they have given such kind of a statement which has nothing to do with reality. So what is that? And now we all know so many people are watching to him. So I think so many people also they love him to watch just because he is speaking sometimes in English and also in accent, like screaming, not speaking, screaming. And they have done a lot of advertisement. That's why they are in a top. I think so many people are watching, and on the basis of that, we can also see lakhs of views every single day. So if they are giving some false news that has nothing to do with reality, then definitely it's a manipulation. And now I think the police have got the something against them, something against the Republic TV. If we are not putting the actual news, so
Yes,
definitely it's a manipulation.
yes,
It's very easy for
TRP was
it's very easy
manipulated
for
earlier
people.
also.
Yeah.
It's Yes, because see, there were some examples just like once G News also shown that there is a chip in 2000 rupees note, but we are still searching where is it. So these propaganda
So
or
many
what?
things.
These are
Indian DNA, if you will go, you will find so many things that is totally, I mean, out of the planet, you can say. You will never find the reality thing. So, yeah, it happens. I
So
think so, just behind so many TV media, there are so many parties at Republic TV in Mumbai, and we know the party in Mumbai and something going on between them. So no one can do. That's why. And even now I have a doubt. I mean, if someone wants to answer, I think everyone is a bit risk. I mean, no TV media has their clean hand in this TRP and whatever they are showing on the TV channel every single day. More than 80 or 90% TV channels, they are not talking the actual reality. But still now, if we will see in ABP, in Ask, and I think in also other some few TV channels, we can see they are criticizing Republic TV, or they are actually showing in a headline that just see how they have done. They are
But
also in that shoes.
For
That's why they
only
are doing.
TRP,
Yeah.
they are not giving actual news to public. Problem is that only for TRP. You post yes,
Mm-hmm.
Rafale आ गया, चीन उड़ गया, something like that. So what
Mm-hmm.
is meaning of that? 5 रफाल
Yeah.
पाकिस्तान हल्का, चाइना डूब गया,
Mm-hmm.
बढ़
Yeah.
गया. It's fake. Tomorrow we are going to attack the China and Pakistan. Actually, they are not giving actual news. Also, you can take example of Sushant Singh Rajput because the public was daily claim that he was murdered, someone has just murdered, but still CBI is searching.
Yeah, true, sir, true.
And also they are claiming Riya Chakraborty is, something like that villain. And today Bombay High Court just released means they are not giving
Exactly.
correct news in only in case of TRP. Just call 5 to 6 person and they
Only
are
and
fighting to each other, and that is going to debate. What we call debate on the TV. That
means
need to
yeah.
know
this
one is
time
destroyed,
this time
one is
GDP is
destroyed.
very
Both are
high, very
fighting to each
decrease.
other, and this is debate.
This time
Still,
GDP is very decrease in India or TV9 Bharatvarsh and COVID-19 situation is very bad in India. But his channels is only Sushant Singh Rajput and news daily 24 hours only Sushant Singh Rajput news. In only TRP he is increase, not increase in TRP. This wrong way his TRP very down in Republic Bharat.
No, but this
yeah.
is also a case
Means
that
other situation.
we were forced to watch only the Sushant murder case, Riya Chakraborty case, when the GDP of India was going to up to 24%, because it was a propaganda run, I think, run by the government party itself, that you just divert the mindset of the audience within only the Sushant Rajput case. That's why they show all the complete day. At that time, they did not care about even TRP, because everyone knows that if you will show 24/7 only a single news or nothing else, and this news is also like rubbish. You are not means putting the news just like a corona case has increasing or not, and what is the situation of dying people in India right now, and what are the other, just like there were some kind of movements were also taken place earlier. The TVs were not able to show any of them. This was, I think, because of on the just by direction of the government party itself, and that
Yeah.
time they were forced not to just do anything for TRP. But now they are also seeing that by this news, how can we get much more and more TRP just for filling up our pockets. So that's why they are doing this kind of cheap strategy to just show this kind of news only. And this is the, I think that's why Indian media is in 137th place in the world.
I think also you
Yeah.
can take
It's true.
example of I think India TV here. I think Rajat Sharma is telling something news about Riya Chakraborty. She has done this. She has done this. So this is level of Indian media. Means
Mm.
they are not focusing on other issues. They are focusing on that what she was doing in the sale. So I think it's also okay. So Amit Bhai, you are listening only. We have very great speaker Sneha, Ganesh, Vikas, and I think Dhruv Bhai is different because in last we are going to give chance. So Amit Bhai, Amit
Yeah,
second.
that's why I'm keeping mum now.
Yes, yes.
Hello.
Yes, yes.
Yes, actually,
Yeah,
see, sometimes it's see, media is the bias, right? And they are getting money from these political parties. What I feel that, okay, that I'm saying. And if they as the Shailesh Bhai told that their intention is to divert the mindset of the people. They will not show what is the actual reason why and why we are lagging, or what actual happening in India. They will take particular the thing or particular issue, and then continuously they will the bombard, or they will continuously talk on that the particular, or they will highlight that particular topic only. The same case with happen, when the corona came to India. Okay, so that time they highlighted that particular thing. Okay, after that, I guess the Delhi, that Nizamuddin case, something they highlighted that thing. Okay, then after, once that the Sushant thing, the case happened, then after they started to highlight that, particularly that the Republican bar, they started to highlight that thing only. Then they forgot about what the corona and what uh, the what other stuff. But they were they only highlighting on that the Sushant case. Apart from that, they are not highlighting any other thing.
yeah, Amit
That is
Bhai.
the reason.
Yeah, Amit
Yeah,
Bhai. Hearing me
yeah.
or not? Hello?
Yes, audible, audible.
Yes, I think what the Pradeep Bhai say and Amit and all the other guys say, I agree, totally agree. But my point is concerned that what about the education concern? Even the government, what the 1 year have to lapses of you can say vacancy, and after that the unemployment have to be goes increasing day by day. Why not media have FOH, or you can say Godi media and whatsoever media, and even the student who have the final year exam, they have postponed, and the student present situation also they have very much, I think
Amit Bhai, because that
prof-
is not going to
yes,
generate any TRP. That's why they are not focusing on that issue. And you can take example of NDTV because NDTV has no TRP. Why? Because that is focusing on some good news, that's like unemployment, something like that. That's why. And
yeah,
take example of
and
news
that's
channel, they are focusing on Sushant Singh Rajput and they are getting so much TRP.
yes, yes,
That's why they are focusing on that.
yeah, yeah. But I think that's why the NDTV India Ravish Kumar have given the Raman Magsaysay Award.
Exactly. This is the question also for those people. I mean, if you really believe that a Republic or any other news channel, if they are on a top in India, why only single Ravish Kumar he has got in 2019? I think in August, Raman Magsaysay Puruskar. Why any Arnav or maybe the G news anchor Ravish? I mean, Sudhir Chaudhary or any other best anchor. Why they haven't got the prize like that if they are on a top? I think they think that citizen, the people of India, they are fool. Whatever we want to deliver, they will listen to us, they will follow us. But I think the person who are actually using their mind, they are not full. That's why they have given the that prize. Actually, the person who are supposed to get that prize, not any other person on the basis of their views or their subscribers, like more than millions or trillions. So if anyone want to answer this part, so that's
Can
why I
I
think
ask
there
a
is
question?
no such kind of. Yeah, you can answer me firstly my question. Then you can
No,
ask
no,
me
I am not
a
going to.
question.
I'm not going to answer because I'm not any of the side, but because you are taking the side of one media. That's why I'm asking the question. Otherwise,
Yeah,
I
yeah.
also I will not ask any
You
of
know,
the.
Sekha bhai,
not
Sekha
Even
bhai,
I am
media.
also
I'm
against
giving the
NDTV.
person,
Bhai,
the
just
anchor.
give me a few seconds. Today I have seen the news of TRP, and at 9 p.m. I have seen the news of Ravish Kumar. he has explained everything by including Congress, BJP, every government, how they are going to manipulate the TRP. Also, he has mentioned name of NDTV also. But other news channel, they are only focusing on Arnab Goswami. He has done this, he has done this. But no one is going to tell us how they are going to manipulate the TRP. Only NDTV has just tell me how they are manipulating the TRP, how they are generating so much view. And also there was the expert, he explained everything. What is people's meter, how you can install people meter, and how they are going to measure TRP, what is role of bar, something like that. But other news channel were only focusing on Urban Goswami. He is fake, he is something like that, he is something like that. What we are getting nothing. That is process of generating TRP. If you want to get really knowledge and some information about any topic, then you should follow some news channel where only a anchor is speaking and people are listening. And if you are going to listen debate, then you know what happened in debate. Someone is speaking something like that, someone is both are fighting to each other, and also there, I think I think you have seen there is a one anchor Amish Devgan. Now people used to say to Galwa
Mm-hmm.
app, something like that. Because I have seen many clips
Yeah, yeah.
where
We have seen this.
political party is saying to you got this like this, and also I've seen Chandrasekhar something like that. He is a chairperson of Bhim Army. He was also abusing him. So what is level of anchor? Means definitely you are not spreading some good news. That's why people are abusing you. If you are unbiased, no one going to abuse you. But for TRP, people are doing everything. Okay, Sekhar, why you
Can
can
I?
speak?
Yeah, you can ask question to me. I will try to answer.
Okay.
I will
Look,
try
first
to
of
help.
all, I am not supporting any of the media houses, and neither I am against. Yes, I am. I can say that I am against some of the newses they used to do, but I am not supporting any of them. So I just asking the question because sometimes I feel that some of the guys are in one of the side. That's why I'm asking.
Exactly, no
And
doubt.
whatever Pradeep brother said, uh, it's totally correct. I am not going to denying the fact, but I'm not saying that it's not happening. I was not saying that it's not happening. It's happening. So I am not denying this fact. Okay. I
Okay.
was just asking the question that Mr. Ravish Kumar get this Magsaysay honorable
Yeah.
Magsaysay award this year, but I just want to know why he is not getting this Magsaysay
2019.
award before what?
In 2019. In
No, no,
2019 he got.
no. I am saying that why he didn't get Magsaysay award before 2014.
Okay, I think he's best actor. Then you can say because he always speak against the government, and if there is any role of government, that is better thing for that. Means he's deserving.
And why we need to consider that part? Why we need to consider that part? He's getting now. We have to appreciate. That's it. Why we need to think like why he has not got the matches when he has started his career in the
No,
anchor.
because you said that because like
So,
if he is
I
getting
say
Magsaysay,
so
I
many
wait,
famous anchors.
wait.
Yeah.
and one more thing, so because of award, you cannot the predict the person, right? That also manipulated. Who knows? It's magazine is from different country. It is not from India.
Yes, Devi bhai, you are right. Everything is
The
manipulated
Nobel
nowadays.
of the Asia.
Yeah,
When the Nobel
Yeah.
Prize can be manipulated,
correct.
what the
Oscar prize
what
also
we
no.
talking about the?
Yeah,
I'm just asking
manipulated.
But
because look,
he
look,
has.
Devi
wait,
bhai,
wait,
Devi bhai, Devi bhai,
wait. I am not against anyone. I am saying I just you asked this question because you say sorry, because you said that uh, well, he get this award because he is a good anchor. So he was also a good anchor before
Yeah.
2014. Before 2014, he was also a very good anchor. So why I'm just asking that why didn't get this award before
actually,
2014?
Suman bhai, you are asking question. Suppose Leonardo DiCaprio, he got Oscar 5 year back. So why he did not get 10 year
And
back?
also so many people exactly. And so many people
What
they
is
are
meaning
even
of
getting
that?
the Nobel Prize after their death. Bharat Ratna after their death. So it is a question why he didn't got the prize when he was alive or like that.
Look what has
It
happened that
depends on the
look
life,
look 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 look
depends
look
on their
look
work.
look I look
Yeah.
wait
Okay,
wait
we are
I
discussing on
didn't
TRP, not Ravish Kumar.
I
So please
didn't
change
I
the
didn't
topic. Please
no
change the
I
topic.
am
Yes,
I
yes, Shikhar bhai. Yes, Shikhar bhai. I think you were telling nice question, and I'm also some point regarding this. Why Sachin Tendulkar have given Bharat Ratna? I think earlier have not given in the you can say BJP type government. We have given. It's also type of politics you can say. It's, it's related with politics maybe. And
Yes,
look
presently
it's
also
look
the
from
look
Arjun
look
Award
brother
and what you
party.
look
can say.
Still he got the prize. It had nothing to do with party, I think. He got prize in the
Earlier
2019. Who is in
earlier
against
no
BJP?
any Bharat given to any cricketer I think so.
अरे
Uh,
Yeah.
Okay, tell.
at that time election was going to happen at Mumbai or maybe at the at the Indian level, and there was a demand for all over the from the India that we should give Bharat Ratna to Sachin Tendulkar. And look, we all are totally aware that every most of the time the award is what award is influenced by the political gains that we are going to get. Because in my point of view, if you because we are actually we are going out of track from the current topic, okay,
Yes,
but
yes.
I'm saying
Shikhar bhai,
that
that's why I'm saying ki please speak on TRP, not Ravish Kumar or something like that.
yeah, so that just leave it. If you want to discuss, we will discuss this later, okay, just leave it. So if we talk about the TRP thing, all of the media houses runs for TRP because it's the TRP. Higher the TRP, higher the advertisement. When higher the advertisement, higher the money, and they all work for money. And there is no hidden truth for any of them, without exception. I will not I will not going to uh, save someone or against someone. Without exception, they all work for money. Okay, if you talk about and the we
I want
all are
to
totally wait brother, if someone has this thing that TRP cannot be manipulated, then it can be easily manipulated. Go watch on the YouTube. They will show the trick how to use the tracker, how to manipulate the tracker to support the channel which you want. Okay, so it's all the TRP thing there. And if you talk about the real news, then believe me, you will not going to get it until or unless what I find is that you have to listen at least 3 to 4 news, because you will get 1 point from that news, 1 point from that news, 1 point from that news, 1 point from that news. Then you have to correlate it by your own self if you can correlate. Otherwise, it's going totally out of your head. What I felt, that's what I'm saying. If any one of you have disregard with for it, then it's totally okay. So it's the all of the game of the TRP, because like Pardeep brother has said that what this TV media channel was doing with SSR case, it's like something is happening that like Atal Bihari, like sorry to say, like it's happening is that like a prime minister has been murdered, and some that much focus has been given to one case, just because of the TRP. And the other thing is that look, very it's we are if you are not aware, then become aware. I think that we all our guys are totally aware that it's all of the propaganda. You have to be very cautious, because because you should not ask question. These propagandas are running by the media houses. That's why you cannot ask the questions. You cannot find fault in the works of the government. uh, that's the thing. Look, it's sometimes it's good to be with the government. Like when you deal with security issue, don't ask unnecessary question because you don't have any ideas. But according to me, but in the cases where the public life is at the stake, where the cases of criminal justice, where the cases of the unemployment and the other problems like related to health, education, it's our right to ask the questions from the government. Because if you will not going to ask, then no one is going to answer it. So it's according to me, it's also happening because you can be deviated from these types of issue also.
Yes, Shekhar bhai, I am agree, and I want to answer your question as you asked that why did not Ravish get access say
Please,
before
please, please, please.
2014?
If you want to discuss it, we will discuss it in phone. Let's leave it for
Uh,
for now.
no, I can just answer in just 1 or 2 minutes. Then I will come back. I want to relate it
Take the
with.
permission from Pradeep sir. I am not the permission. Take the permission
No,
from Pradeep
you
sir.
can speak. If you want to give answer, then you can leave.
Okay, I
Then
am saying
be
that. See,
prepared for my next question. Then I am saying that.
Yes, yes.
yeah, no, I want to say that this is the beauty of our democracy, that we should or any kind of news spokesperson have right to speak against the government policies. They have right to speak whatever government is not doing, what did they promised and they're not doing, this kind of. And see, right now there are rare channels which are doing like this. And before 2014, if we see that approximate all of the news channels were against that government. That time was, I think, Manmohan government. Each and every news channels were asking much more questions, were supporting the Anna Hazare movement, Baba Ramdev movement. I mean to say, I think the media was doing some great work, and they are not doing right now. It is also a case, but that time they were doing a great work, and that's why it was a common thing that how can they just give a Magsaysay award to any person like Ravish Kumar, because everything was going good. And I think that time the TRP game was not so much high, and this I think that's why they did not give the
If you really
Magsaysay
want to
award.
discuss on Ravish Kumar, come in conference,
No,
come in
no,
call.
no.
Okay,
Actually, we are not.
let's just leave it.
Actually, we are not going to discuss on Ravish Kumar something like that. We are
So that's the thing.
uh,
That's the thing I
and
said.
we
That's the
have
thing.
many members. Actually, we have Sonakshi, Sneha, Vikas, Om. So let them speak also, and we have no time also. So please join this meeting again. Then we can discuss for at least for 15 minutes only. So let Sonakshi, Sneha, and Abhishek to speak. Then we can close this meeting. So please join this meeting again, please.
Uh, Please unmute yourself.
Because we have started this meeting again only for Sneha, Sonakshi, and I think Abhishek. Okay, guys, Sneha have some network problem. If anybody want to speak, then he or she can continue. Devi bhai, I think you want to speak something, so you can speak. Devi bhai, Bala bhai.
Yeah, I'm actually lost interest in speaking because it is just like dividing between two like-minded. Like one part is this side and one more is this side.
Okay,
This
okay.
I can see that
Okay,
more on
that's
that.
why we are not going to discuss any more about Arnab Goswami and Ravish Kumar. We are going to discuss on our main topic, how TRP can be manipulated and media channel is doing or not. So if anybody want to speak on this topic, so he or she can speak. Okay, we stick on the
I,
topic what we are discussing, not other than that, because due to this, our meeting increased from 40 to 1 hour, and daily this is
Yeah.
not good because if there are many
I
persons
think
who they want to take rest. Yes, Amit bhai.
I think Pradeep bhai earlier in the WhatsApp group the topic is another is related with degree something there. And here I listening that it is TRP. Why
Okay,
is
Amit.
it totally changed?
Yes,
Because Pradeep Bhai is in place with one
Yes,
group.
yes, yes,
actually,
yes.
Amit bhai, I know that's why you have joined this today session, because when we talk about education, definitely you will join. And when I see you are going to join this chat, then I think yes, you are just pointing that topic we have given. That's why you have joined this session. Don't worry, tomorrow we will going to discuss on that topic. You know why I have started this topic, because in every news channel today we are listening this type of news. Okay,
The hot topic.
Okay.
Goswami, because every
Yes.
news channel is just blaming Arnab Goswami for increasing the TRP and for manipulating the TRP. That's why we think today we can discuss on this topic because this is very hot topic for today. That's why.
Okay, okay,
Okay,
okay.
we
Yeah.
have the second
I think,
hot topic, no, Ram Vilas
I,
Paswan, but I think many people have no idea. Still, I have
yeah,
no idea about that person. So actually, I am
he
unable
Yes,
to.
a
passed
date,
away.
date. It's a die.
Yeah,
We
So
can discuss, I mean, such kind of
and
topic. At least you can give before 2 and 3 days. And
yes, yes.
you can just announce we are going to discuss on current topic. So that is how we can authentic information. Just because this is how we are talking on the basis of our pre-existing information. We are not talking about the actual and the factual thing. But if
Yes,
we have a topic like this, and this is also, I think these are a great topic. If somehow we are able to speak on this topic, then we can easily speak on any topic that we are discussing every single day.
I know, actually, Dhruv bhai, actually, I had no idea how they are going to measure the TRP, but only listening to the news, I came to know, yes, there is people's meter. They are going to install some places, and by reading, they are going to measure the TRP. And there are only 44,000 that equipment, and they are going to install only 44,000 places. And by those places, they are going to tell us, yes, how many people are watching this channel, and just they are going to reflect in 130 crore people. And in only in Maharashtra, in Mumbai, 2000 that equipment is installed. And someone is claiming that Republic Bharat just buy 5 to 6 a home, and they are giving some money to please watch this channel, and by due to that they are going to generate their TRP, and due to TRP they are going to generate so much revenue, they can get so much ad. That's why police commissioner has just said they are also going to inspect the bank account of Republic Bharat and some two other news channel. I think that is belong to Maharashtra. That's why they are going to inspect the bank detail, bank account, because they are getting so much money due to only TRP. Because if someone has no TRP, so people just assume people who are watching that channel, so that's they are not getting so much revenue or something like that. That is also matter of that. Means this is game of money. Okay, I think Balabhai, you want to speak.
Yeah.
Balabhai, we are not getting your voice.
Audible, sir?
Yes.
Audible, sir. Sir, we cannot see this crisis in printing media, sir, because no one can take electronic media inside the court. They want only printed media. So more people, there is some problem in media, electronic media, but we cannot divide particular this one. That is, we cannot divide that. So printing media is a single paper is given 14 page or 15 page. If any crisis national wise or international wise, they are putting every news in particular page. So this problem is only created in the electronic media. So nowadays, court and other people are taking authority in printed media. So more people want to read in printed media. They can take more anything to give TRP news, but I think they will not give wrong news. If anyone go too late at the time, he get something and telecast immediately, but they will not telecast without there is no any incident. They cannot say, because that is very wrong thing. If any I did any mistake in my printing news, uh, immediately I suspended. At least I got some memo from my office. So there is no excuse. At the same time, they are also followed in electronic media, so they cannot give to wrong news. But you are also say in Susang news telecast one day full. That one particularly some electronic media may be telecasted that particular, but you cannot see in CNN, IBN, NDTV. They are all gives all news, international, national size, and so like that. Printing media, there is no this crisis. We cannot see this one. So people are most want to read printing paper. That's all, sir.
I know, Balabai, I am actually, I totally agree with your point. And whenever we see, people are going to take reference of some newspaper, some print media. You can take references of Times of India, Indian Express, The
Yes.
Hindu,
Yes.
but no one is going to take reference of Aaj Tak, NDTV, something like that, because they know कि whatever printed in the print media, that is authentic and that is also correct, because that is going to I think that is going through many process, and after finalizing,
Yes, sir.
then that news is
Yes,
going to
yes.
publish in newspaper. But electronic media,
There is
we have
more
seen many
steps in
news,
that,
they are
sir.
speak something and happening something, sometimes they are doing some joke type activity, you can say. So there are many things. So Sakarbai, you are listening
So
very carefully. If you want to speak, then you can speak.
no, I just want to. I don't know whether you guys know or don't know or not, know or don't. But I am just saying that whether it's electronic media or whether it's print media, none of the what to say newses that they publishes can be used as an evidence, because in the court of law, neither print media nor electronic media can be quoted as a evidence. I just want to say.
Yes, we are not talking about evidence. We are talking about reference. Suppose what I have said, they are going to take reference of newspaper, not going to take reference of electronic media or Facebook or WhatsApp. That's what I'm saying. Generally,
Sorry.
in many cases, we have listened
Yes,
that
yes.
by reference of Indian Express. Also, you can see on the Twitter, whatever politician or someone is going to talk about something, they are going to reference, they are going to post a link of that newspaper. Yes, you can read here. That's what I'm saying.
India Today,
No,
like
also
that.
you can take example of India, China. What news channel are speaking there, that is much different from what they are printing in print media and newspaper also. So I think that in that way I am talking. So we have Sonakshi and Abhishek. If you want to speak, so please speak. Otherwise, we are going to end this meeting, and Devi Bhai is going to conclude. So please, Sonakshi and Abhishek, if you want to speak.
Uh, Hello everyone. Uh, Actually, sir, because um, yeah, it's true because electronic media really manipulate the people. Because if we see the news, any like only just like except Rajya Sabha and uh, just like as the and any other news channel, then you see, and I think many wrong news are they are given, and just like what to say, uh, he just like he gave the news for only their TRP. It's really true, and I don't think I just like Pradeep sir say, everyone believe on reference for taking a newspaper. I also use this because when I see any news in just like in news, then I not believe, but when I see a newspaper, then I believe this is true. Okay, sir.
Uh, yes, it is true. Each and every now channels are running after the TRPs only. And see, this is also fact that whenever there is a news come that may lead the attention of each and every person. Just like
Yeah, right.
recently, Abhinandan was came back from Pakistan, and the all the complete media was just running only behind that key, from morning to the evening, key now Abhinandan is in inquiry room, now he is coming in 1 hour, now in 2 hour, means they did not show any single news to the complete day. And he came from Pakistan to India from morning to evening. So see, this is only the issue of TRP. They will show only from which news they can get TRP.
There is a two suggestion from my side.
Also, you can take example of Rafael aa gaya, means something like
Yeah,
that.
right.
Yes,
Right.
As like
Rafael.
tomorrow we are going
Yeah.
and the China and Pakistan also,
So
because they
I
have created so much hype only due to TRP. So
Yeah.
Devi bhai, now you can conclude. I think
so for
everybody
first
has.
I
Okay.
want to say one thing before this, before the conclusion.
Okay.
So I just want to say that those, because look, it's the hard truth and the real fact is that we guys are watching, or we guys, that means we the people are, we the people of India is watching. That's it. Stop watching that. Watch DD News. Watch Rajya Sabha. Then you will
Actually,
Right.
find the
we are
wait,
searching some
then you
good
will
news.
find
That's
then
why.
you will find the whole news. And the second thing is that, so some of the guys said that the news, there is in newspaper there is nothing wrong. Then I just want to say that in newspaper there is also misinterpretation of the things as well as the wrong news as printed. So
Yeah,
that's two
right.
things.
No,
But
no, no, sir.
we
Yes,
Actually, we are
yeah,
yes,
not
Shekhar
against
bhai,
that.
yes,
Suman
Shekhar
bhai, I
bhai.
am not agree that I am not agree
Yes,
your point, because if any wrong news, police or any affected person come find it, and also they are complained to police station, they will punish them. So without evidence, we cannot publish anything, sir. If we want to publish anything, I will give to full evidence to the editor. Then they will cross check. Then he try to uh, publish the news. Without evidence, we cannot publish anything in printed media. It may be fortnight or weekly, whatever it is. Without evidence, we cannot publish anything. They will against publish and also complaint. There is no lot of crisis in there, sir. So I want to tell this one. That's all.
Shekhar bhai,
yes,
actually,
Shekhar
Bala
bhai.
bhai,
I think
that's why his.
What, sir?
yes, Shekhar bhai. I
Actually,
think
Bala bhai is a reporter in newspaper.
Okay, then
yeah.
what
but
to say on
sir,
it? So,
I
He has,
I
but
think
then what
what
he
then
has,
yes,
there
yes,
is
Shekhar
one.
bhai. Yeah, yes, Shekhar bhai. I think the people of India originally watch some unique news in every day want to see. That's why if the Pradeep bhai have to say that Rafalayan, what you say, this is very different. It's a uniqueness. You can say even the gods have prakat. You can say in the
What
present
is
of
the
anyone.
uniqueness in the
So it's a different.
what? So I was just want to ask, what is the uniqueness in what they are saying, that the Rafael, the same thing they are repeating again and again, unnecessarily Rafael. But they
okay,
ask then
Devi bhai, this is
tell me
not
the
going to be. Please conclude and end this
Yeah,
discussion.
yeah. So after hearing that, I also learned that many medias are they are from far left or far left. It's depend upon the influence, and when the government comes to the power, they will support to that government, and the government is changed again, they will change their stand on that. And even though the reporter also shifting their journalism or their job duty from one media to one more media, it is just going on, the person is same, but their mindset is changing when they're changing from one media to one more media. But actually the Balabai said, I really don't know that the printed media should show the real news. If they've shown the anything the wrong, then they should give you the penalty, or it's harm to their medias. That should be apply on the electronic media. Then that should be a very good if that be apply on electronic media. And in terms of TRP, those who wanted to see the news channel, let them see. But as a person, as we have some limitation, we can change the news also nowadays. So we have plenty of news channels. At least if you want to see the Republic TV. Just see the he's talking in English. Just learn that English. That's it. Don't see the content or that's it. Just see the advertisement or below. They will give the always Tata Nixon.
Also, you
That
can learn
you see.
acting, how to act, because there are many
Yeah,
actors in
that
Republic
also.
Bath. They are doing so much acting, something like that. Okay, continue.
Yeah,
Yeah, that.
just like Ramcharan Singh Teja of South superstar. Yeah, Devi Charan,
Okay, so
Amit
something
bhai.
like that.
Okay, Devi bhai.
yes, yes.
Yes.
Yeah.
So last but not least, last but not least, today I have been overwhelmed. You know why? Because when we started the debate session, and
Yeah.
even I never thought that we will discuss the live news also. Now today, we got one live news regarding the TRP, and we have been discussing and we discuss it. Okay, so it's today I have been totally overwhelmed now. I never thought that, and I never imagined. So I feel that the guys please continue this such a thing, and some days we will be means more proficient, more fluent in English. So that's it from my end.
Okay, so Devi bhai, if you want to continue, you can continue. Otherwise, we can end now because I think we have already completed 1 hour.
Yeah, that's it. I think this today's topic is not like the healthy one. It is harm to our mind. Or even I never watch other channel other than Republic because I'm also know that. So I never watch NDTV. Even though, but I accept the fact. I never that I am not biased towards one side. I should accept the both the side. That is important for me also. But it's depend upon the mind or like-minded people. So I'm far right, or some people will far left. But I maybe come to the middle when the right thing come from right side. So that is the whole thing. Because end of the day, our society, our country should be good hand. That's the important. And similarly, the fourth pillar of our democracy. That should be the because of electronic media only the politicians are scared little bit. If electronic media is not there, then definitely control the politicians. They will be like anything. Many of the scams is founded by the many news channel like Radia Tape or the Tejpal Yadav. Some cases are happen. So many cases are 2G scam. So it's the sting operation by the journalist. Then only the cases are come out. So at the end of the day, I hope that I wish that they should give the good information to the public, because many people will watch the news channel. So it's important for them to understand what is going on in and around us. So we cannot avoid the news channel as well, because for us that is also one of the important aspect. So I think and we can see the good news channel.
Yeah,
That's it.
definitely. Yeah, Devi bhai. For the English news, we can never forget the BBC News. The BBC News is one of the oldest news where the television have not to come, and the only radio, and there is the old person like Dadaji, and you can say they listen. And up till now, we in the YouTube also the BBC News in the English. So you can also achieve get achievement and learning through this. Okay, that's it from my side.
Okay, so thank you guys. Thank you Bala bhai, Devi bhai, Amit bhai, Shekhar bhai, Amit, Sonakshi, and Om and Sneha.
Yeah.
So we are
Thank you,
going to
sir.
end this
Thank
meeting.
you.
Thank you guys for
Thank you
attending.
all. Good night.
Thank you.
Thank you all. Yeah.
Good
Good
night.
night. Shubharatri.
Good night. Good night. Bye.